All right, happy Wednesday. Hopefully you're having a great week so far. I know we are here at Wildfire. I'm Coach Skip, and I have your Burn at Home workout for Wednesday. So today we got a warm up. We're going to be doing 2 rounds of 25 high knees, 10 sumo squats, 10 opposite pointers, and then 10 opposite starfish. So getting into that warm up on those 25 high knees, go hard, go fast, get that heart rate up, get that blood pumping. That's the name of the game. The more you're moving, the better you're going to feel, the better you're going to look, the more confident you're going to be, and that's exactly what we want to see. So in those high knees, get those knees up high, short bursts, stay on the toes as much as possible. If you need to bring it back a notch, don't quite go so high, but still get that running motion. If you need to slow it down and reduce the impact, then just do a standing march and still work on getting those knees as high as possible every time. After your 25 high knees, we've got those 10 sumo squats. So normal stance is about shoulder width apart. Get those feet a little bit wider, push those hips back and down and knees out as you go up and down, really working on keeping that chest up and still work on getting below parallel each time. If you need to on this one, you can grab onto a solid object, and that will just help decrease the resistance and make the exercise a little bit easier. Just make sure you let go as soon as you can as you're standing up to really maximize the exercise. After that, we've got 10 opposite pointers. So you're going to be on all fours here, and you're going to bring your opposite arm and leg out at the same time. So right arm, left leg, left arm, right leg. And just go back and forth here. Right plus left is going to equal 1 on all of these. If you need to do it from more of a standing position, just lean over an object, table, front of the couch, and same thing, just put one hand down and go opposite hand and foot each time, and really squeeze so you open up those joints and get things moving. The final one is going to be 10 opposite starfish. So get those arms out and just go right arm to left leg and then left arm to right leg. And just back and forth all the way up to center each time. If you're not able to get quite all the way down, get as low as you can. Even if it's just going down to the knee each time, that's totally fine. So 2 rounds, 25 high knees, 10 sumo squats, 10 opposite pointers, and then 10 opposite starfish. For the workout today, it's a 14-minute AMRAP. So set your clock for 14 minutes. You're going to do as many rounds as possible in that time. We've got 20 jumping jacks, 10 mule kicks, 15 plank balance, and then 20 butt kickers. So starting with the jumping jacks, just get the arms and legs moving together, get that big jump. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging for a range of motion, clap above and behind the back every single time, and that'll also really get those shoulders working and opened up. If you need to take it back a step, then just step back and forth here and still go as fast as you can. Just get that, the best range of motion possible is what you've got today. After that, we've got 10 mule kicks. So you're going to be bending at the waist, get that back leg up, really feel that stretch in the hamstring each time, and just back and forth here. Just like that. If you need to do it from more of a leaning position, if the balance isn't quite there, then just same thing, use that platform and just one at a time, go back and forth. And this will really work the hamstring, so really get that good kickback. We've done these a couple of times, and every time I do them, I can definitely feel it the next day in those hamstrings. After that, we've got 15 plank balance. So from your forearms, you're going to be just going back and forth here and just rotating, get that full range of motion every time. If you need to do these off of the knees, that's okay. Same thing, right in here, off of the knees. or use that platform. Remember, the higher the platform, the less the resistance, the easier it's going to be. So if you've been doing this from something a little bit higher, work on going a little bit lower to increase the effectiveness of the exercise. And same thing here, just right back and forth. And then the final one is going to be 20 butt kickers. So just the opposite of what we did in the warm-up, really kicking those feet up behind you and get it going as fast as possible. If you need to do more of a standing march here, then that's fine. And same thing, kick those legs up as high as you can. So 14 minutes, as many rounds as possible, 20 jumping jacks, 10 mule kicks, 15 plank balance, and then 20 butt kickers. So have fun with this one. Go fast, go hard, get a lot of rounds in that 14 minutes. Post your score on Beyond the Whiteboard or in the comments section. And as always, we'll have another one for you tomorrow. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Coach Skip signing off.